Michael Church with Crawl Space Ninja, and today we've got a great Ask a Ninja from David in Lawrenceville, Georgia. And if you're new to Crawl Space Ninja, appreciate you all watching this video, and make sure you subscribe to this channel and also ring that notifications bell. We talk about everything dealing with attics, basements, crawl space, and duct work in order to improve your home's indoor air quality and energy efficiency. Let's get started. Okay, so if you have an Ask a Ninja, I'm gonna put a link down below so you can click on it and fill out our Ask a Ninja questionnaire if you want your question answered here on this show. Appreciate all your support. So David wants to know, should he put gravel or sand under his 12 mil vapor barrier? Now, David, I have seen lots of gravel and lots of sand underneath vapor barriers here in East Tennessee. And let me tell you a little bit about the sand part. We had a situation where a builder had just built a house. They covered the floor of the crawl space with sand and then put a vapor barrier over it. And the vapor barrier was actually condensating. I don't know if you know this, but sand tends to be really cold. So if you get a warm day and the crawl space heats up and it touches that cold vapor barrier, it could condensate. I didn't believe it. It took me a little while to figure that out. And then I remember going to the beach and sticking my feet just a little bit under that sand, and that sand being super cold. So I think sand from a crawling around point of view is great. But if you're going to put sand down, make sure you control that dew point. What is dew point? Brian at April Air answers that question in that video down below I'm going to put for you. Oh, by the way, if you find this information useful, would love it if you'd like this video as well. So the second question he had was, what about gravel? Should I put gravel underneath the vapor barrier or sand? Okay, so gravel is a little bit different of a story. I think gravel is great if you've got a lot of standing water. It allows that water to travel to and from those perimeter trenches or those French drains you've got installed to make its way into that sump pump. The only problem is that it destroys vapor barrier. So if you're going to put gravel down, make sure you use an underlayment between the vapor barrier and the gravel to help protect it, because when your knee hits that vapor barrier, it punctures that plastic, and then you're gonna lose that moisture blocking ability of that plastic. So those are great questions, David, and we hope you will like this video down below, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and my name is Michael Church with Crawl Space Ninja. We hope you make it a happy and blessed day, and we'll see you later.